Alright, I'm going to make a gate out of some of the scrap I've got left here. Got to chop it all down and make a gate. Hopefully it's going to look like the railing when I get it totally done. But let's get this cut out and we'll put some screws in it. And what I'm doing here, I'm measuring 3 foot down this rail. That's how long it is, and I want the bottom of the gate to be even with that. So these are going to be the side pieces, the two sides. So I'll cut them down to 36, and then I'll put the top on it. Well, that's what it's going to look like. I got my 2x4 spacers down there. That one corner over there is off just a little bit, so I'll kind of center it, but it's only off, you know, not much. So that's kind of how you line them up. And I'll do each one of them. I'll put a 2x4 at the top and bottom both as I screw them in, but that's kind of how it's laying right now. So let's get all that screwed together. Okay, there it is installed. I put these hooks on here so it can be latched. Anyway, dog. And then got another one here so it can be latched so it won't come open. That's it. Makes a nice little gate, kind of matches the rest of the porch. Keeping any little kids from going down with the dogs if we want to keep the dogs off the porch. That's pretty much it.